How to create sound on a Snapchat from gallery. Creating a sound from gallery on a Snapchat is quite easy and simple. Let's get started. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your particular account. Tap to flashcard icon from the camera roll section at the bottom left corner of the screen. Select any image or video that you wish to add, or you can capture a snap as well. Tap Add a sound at the top of the screen. At the top next to featured, tap My Favorites and choose My Sounds. You can choose existing sounds from your gallery or tap Create Sound button. Upload from camera roll button and choose any particular video. And once you have selected, you need to choose the clip. Once done, if you wish to make the sound public, toggle the button on. Add the sound name and your name. And tap Save Sound button. Once you are done with that, you can apply it as well. And as you can see under the list of my sounds, you have got the sound that you have created just now. You can add it to your snap and tap on tick mark at the bottom right and send to your friends or add to stories as well. That's how we create sound on Snapchat from gallery. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.